Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and we're going to go over how you would replace your high beam and low beam headlight on your vehicle. We've replaced the turn light indicator, and now we're going to replace this high beam headlight. So we've removed this from the vehicle to make it easy. You can do it while it's on the vehicle, but you're going to see it's be pretty difficult, or it's a lot tougher to replace this one while it's on the vehicle for the fact of things that you need to move inside. So this is an HID light, so it's a high intensity discharge light. So it is a good thing to have the electric unconnected from the housing itself, because this is a very high voltage light bulb. So with it removed from the vehicle, or if you did it on the vehicle, what you're looking at is this cover right here, and you need to just twist that a quarter turn to the left. Then we have this clamp or connection here. If you press it together, it opens up. There's a little safety lock tab right there, and so as you press this, it makes it pop out, and so that it'll slide down, and that's what it's catching on, so it won't come undone. Now, there's two little metal bars in here which you'll need to press. This is what holds the light in, and these are where it would become a lot harder as it's on the car. But you need to press them in, and then you'll be able to go up or down in a way to free those up, and then you'll be able to remove your HID light. This HID light, this is the whole unit, and to replace it, it is a D3S, and that's what you get to put in it, is a D3S, and like I said, it comes everything here. Now, these are the the tabs that hold it in, and so they need to go up and then down to lock it into place, as well as the top and the bottom. So we'll leave them out like that for now. And now you'll take your new HID light and you'll insert it in here and just hold it. And then you gotta push these tabs up and get them to go into, there we go. So they're in the lock position. You just got to press them in, get them to lock in there, and now you'll be able to connect your electric connector right there. Take your cap cover, line it up where the tabs line up right, and then twist this cover back, tighten it a quarter turn, and then if you removed it from your car, you'll put it back on, put the bumper back on. If you did it while it was attached to the car, then you just put the little cover back on under the and the fender well, and you'll be good to go. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.